Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. As we all know that this is festival season, so in this video today I'm going to show you how can you make greetings in PowerPoint. Today I'm going to show you how can you make a greeting card in PowerPoint. So first for that I have taken one blank slide and here I'm going to insert one rectangle shape. So first I will insert one rectangle shape on this slide. And for this rectangle shape, you can, if you want to fill different color, you must click on Format tab. And in Format tab, you have the Shape Fill option. So just you need to apply the color for this. And for this rectangle shape, I want to insert some different picture. So for that, I will click on Insert tab. And here in Pictures tool, I will click on this Pictures tool. Already I have downloaded some pictures for this. So I'm going to use this for my greeting card. So I'm going to use this picture as my greeting card. So here I have taken this picture and I will just reduce the size of it. I will just reduce the size of it. Like what is the size of your rectangle shape you have taken, you can adjust to that shape. Now I have adjusted this shape as on my rectangle shape. And if you want to insert some picture border, you can click on picture border and insert the picture border as well. Now here I'm going to insert some text. So for that, I will insert some text for this. So for that, I have to click on text tool. And where will you find the text tool? The text tool is in insert and just click on, either you can use word art or text tool. So here I'm using text tool and here I will say happy Dashera. And for this, if you want to increase the size, just select it, bring it to the center, change the color of your choice. And if you want to make it bold, if you want to change the style, you can even apply some style for your text. You can type any text here. And then after inserting text, I want to group this card and as well as the text. So for that, click on the card, press and hold Shift key, click on the text and then right click on it and say group. Now grouping is done. After doing this grouping, what we have to do is we have to cover all the sides with the shape. So for that, again, I have to click on Insert Group. In Insert Group, you have to click on Triangle Shape. So this is the triangle shape I am taking. So first, I am going to insert the at the top. So for that, I will insert one triangle shape at the top and then I will increase the size of it, adjust it properly to this shape. And for this also I will change the color. So for that you have to take the shape fill and the color which we have taken for the first rectangle, the same color I'm going to apply. Now the other side also we need to fill with the triangle shape. So for that, insert shapes, again click on the triangle shape and then rotate it to whichever direction you want. So here I'm going to rotate this, flip horizontal and then drag it and adjust here according to this size. And then you can change the color of it just by right clicking on it and say format shape and fill. Here I'm going to take the picture. I'm taking some different picture for this. So here you can take the, if you have downloaded some of the picture, you can insert it as, I have taken this picture as for my color. The same I'm going to duplicate by just pressing Ctrl plus D. To duplicate, I will say Ctrl plus D. Now here you can rotate this and then I will adjust the other side of this. You can adjust the shape just by clicking on it. And then this also you can duplicate by just saying Ctrl D and rotate it. edge is the other side, drag it, adjust it. See that no gaps should be left, adjust in proper way. And then this also I want to say Control D, duplicate, rotate it. So this is done. Now we have to give some animation. So first I will click on this triangle shape and I'm going to add some animation for this. So for this I will click on Animations tab. In Animations tab I will click on Add Animation. In Add Animation we have some more exit effects. Click on more exit effects, and here in exit effect in moderate we have the option called collapse. Click on collapse and say OK. Now here collapse in effect options to top. So this is the preview, you can see collapse to the top. Now we have to give the animation to the this top triangle, and for this again we need to go to animations, add animations, and for this we have to take more entrance effects. In the more entrance effects we have in moderate we have the option called stretch. We have to take the option called stretch. Okay, and in add animation, sorry, in effect options we have to take from bottom. So this is the preview, you can check. So it comes like this. Now next what we have to do is we have to give the animation to the text which is we have given inside. So for that we have group, that is group. So we have to click on home tab. In home tab we have to click on select and say selection pane. In selection pane we have grouped the card and the text. So just you need to click on it and you need to give animation to this text. For that you have to click on group 6 this is, and then in animations I'm giving the animation for this is line. So I will just say line. Now line, and here I want to move this line up. And here you have to say up. So it will come like this. But here you can see it's going, if you see the preview, it's coming like this. So here we have to send it back. So this should go back behind. So you have to say send back. Now you can see the preview. So it will come like this. Hope it's clear. Now after this, we have to do some options here. That is, we have to in animations here, this one should be given with previous. So where will you get with previous animation effects? In animation, instead of start on click, we have to give the option with previous. And for this triangle, we have to give after previous in animations. After previous with previous. And here the duration I'm going to give as 2 seconds. So here I will change it to 2 seconds. So automatically it will play. So here 2 seconds for this, and even for this also I'm going to give 2 seconds. Now you can check slideshow from beginning. For this also, for this text card also we need to give automatically. So for that what we have to do, we have to click on this group 6, and in animation group 6 we have to make it after previous. And now you can check slideshow from beginning. So this came automatically. So friends, I hope it's clear. You can make greeting cards for any festival and you can share it to your friends. Now I will show you how to save this presentation as video format so that you can easily share with anyone in WhatsApp. So for that you have to click on File menu and then click on Export. In Export you have the option called Create a Video. Click on Create a Video and then click on Create Video option. So as soon as you click on create video option, you'll get save as window. Now here in file name, you can give the name of the file as I'm giving here as greeting card, and then you have to choose the save as type. So here you can choose the save as type. Say I want to select it as Windows Media Video. So just click on it and say save. So your presentation will be saved as video format.